Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the poem Night of the Scorpion, written by Nissim Ezekiel. This poem shows the selfless love of the mother who is stung by the scorpion. I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath the sack of rice. In this stanza, the poet remembers the night when his mother was stung by a scorpion. It had been raining for 10 hours, and to escape that rain, the scorpion had crawled beneath the sack of rice. Parting with his poison flash, the diabolic tail in the dark room. Diabolic is having the qualities of devil or wicked. Parting with his poison flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he risked the rain again. The peasants came like swarms of flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. He had bitten the poet's mother, and after parting with his poison in the dark room, had gone back into the rain with the devil flash of his tail. On hearing the news, the villagers had come like swarms of flies. The peasants came like swarms of flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times. On hearing the news, the villagers had come like swarms of flies, chanting the name of God 100 times to stop or to paralyze or to stop the evil one, to stop the activity of the devil, the scorpion. With candles and with lanterns, throwing giant scorpion shadows on the mud-baked walls, they searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues with every moment that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood, they said. They had searched for the scorpion with candles and lanterns, throwing huge shadows resembling scorpions on the mud walls of the house. They searched for him, but they did not find him. They clicked their tongues to show their frustration and sorrow that they could not find him. They said that with every movement the scorpion made, the poison moved in the poet's mother's blood. Every movement the scorpion did, the poison moved into the blood of mother. May he sit still, they said. May the sins of your previous birth be burnt away tonight, they said. May your suffering decrease, the misfortunes of your next birth, they said. May the sum of all evil, balanced in this unreal world against the sum of good, become diminished by your pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition, they said. And they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, the peace of understanding on each face. They hoped that the scorpion would sit still without moving. They hoped that the sins of her previous birth, the sins of the mother's previous birth, would be burnt away that night. They prayed that her present suffering would decrease any misfortunes in her next birth. They hoped that the balance of the sum of the evil in this world against the sum would go or would diminish her pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition, they said. And they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center and the peace of understanding on each face. The peasants also prayed that the poison would purify her flesh of every desire and her spirit of an ambition. They sat with the mother in the center, and there was a peace of understanding on every face. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through, groaning on the mat. More neighbors came in to help with more candles and more lanterns. There were more insects, and the rain continued endlessly. The poet's mother's entire body twisted and turned as she laid down, groaning on the mat. Groaning is making the sound in pain, painful crying. Groaning on the mat. My father, skeptic is the person who does not believe easily and inquires about the facts. The poet's father was skeptic. Rationalist, the person who believes in reason and knowledge than opinion and belief. He tried every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the beaten toe and put a match to it. The poet's father was a rationalist, the person who believed in reasons and knowledge and doubted about all the things. However, what he did, he tried every curse and blessing. He also tried powdered mixtures, herbs and hybrids. After that, he also poured a little paraffin. Paraffin is kerosene. He poured a little paraffin on the beaten toe and lit it to the matchstick. He put that toe on the fire. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. Incantation is a chanting of some mantras or magical power. What did his father do? His father put that toe on fire, and this poet was looking the flames of the fire. The flame grew bigger and bigger. The holy man performed his rites and made the effect of the poison lesser with the magical chant. And what happened? After 20 hours, it lost its sting. It took 20 long hours to lose its sting. And when the mother was feeling better, what did she say? My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." When the mother was feeling okay, what did she say? She only thanked God that the scorpion had chosen to bite her and spared her children.